to the sun with me, so I can show you something you've never seen. And both you and I shouldn't be too shy by letting go for once. Come and be free with me. Just look straight ahead, don't you stay behind, don't stay behind. Trying to make you feel right, 'cause our stars are aligned. Can I make up your mind?
So the first gift which I want to give Aditya is equality. We should be equal in everything. No matter what happens, we should be always equal on our path.
We begin. Oh.
The second gift is sharing each other. We should share our joy, sorrow, everything. Every small piece of our life should be shared between both of us. No matter what happens and how many ups and downs we go through, we will never ever leave each other, and we will always support each other in our good and bad times. The next essential thing in a relationship is to listen to each other. We should spend time in listening rather than talking to each other.
You understand what I'm trying to show.
The last gift which I want to give Aditya is my precious time. Time is really very important. It makes your bond stronger each day, and you should always give each other time no matter what happens.
Just look straight ahead, don't you stay behind, don't stay behind. Trying to make you feel right, 'cause our stars are aligned. Can I make up your mind? Follow me to the light, there is so